So far so good, I think. Next, as I mentioned on my first session, the next part is physiotherapy management. So physiotherapy should be started with all patients with a diagnosis of osteoarthritis. Okay, pain is a common symptom that occur at different intensities depending on the individual. It is not necessarily related to severity of osteoarthritis progression. Exercise has been proven to be effective as pain management and also improve the physical functioning in the short term. Exercise have to take place under the supervision of a physiotherapist initially, and when properly instructed, these exercises can be performed at home. Through research has shown that the group exercise combined with home exercise is more effective. Okay. Then come to the what are the roles of physiotherapy education. Understanding what osteoarthritis is, the prior thing. Then next are explaining pain, explain long-term management of osteoarthritis, educate regarding activity modification, role of weight loss, promote active healthy lifestyle. Okay. Then all the exercises for osteoarthritis should be focused on based on this criteria. These are reduce knee pain and inflammation, normalize knee joint range of motion, strengthen lower kinetic chain, cardiovascular exercises, improve proprioception, agility and balance, improve function, use of walking aids as needed. These things should be focused on osteoarthritic patients. In osteoarthritis cases, we can perform lots of exercises that should be based on the grades that the patient have. First, study the X-ray report. If the patient is more than grade 3, then we should first minimize the pain, try to minimize the pain, then we should refer the patient directly to the doctor. If the grades are below 3, that is 0 is normal, then 1 and 2, then we can perform the osteoarthritis exercises, that is completely based on the surrounding muscles of the knee joint. Okay. Most of the exercises are focused for the strengthening of the surrounding muscles, as well as we can perform lots of advanced techniques like tapping, dry needling, cupping. In cupping, we can perform dry cupping, wet cupping, dynamic cupping, much more effective on osteoarthritic cases. As well as we can also perform TheraBand exercises for strengthening, and Dr. Rohit will discuss about the tapping technique in brief detailed demonstration on the osteoarthritic cases. Out of the lots of various exercises in basics, few are like initially after the palpation of the tender point, we should start with the stretching exercises. In stretching exercises, we can perform the stretching of the muscles like quadriceps, hamstring, calf, TA, glutes, piriformis. All the muscle stretching should be performed initially. Then we should go for the static quadricep, then static hamstring, then we can go for the patella mobilization, then we can perform the SLR also. In few cases we can perform also the glide of the anterior glide, actually the anterior posterior glide in the knee joint. Okay.